Okay, it's Martin here at Makita. What I have here today is the JS3201. So this is a shear, okay, used for cutting sheet metal. It's available in 110 and 240 volt. Okay. Main body of the machine, you've got a top handle with the on-off trigger. Okay, this isn't a lock-off button. What it is, it's a lock-on button, so if you're doing prolonged cuts, you can actually lock the trigger on. To do that, you hold the trigger in, hold the button, release the trigger. That locks the machine in an on position. To release that again, we just press the trigger. Okay, so this is a shear, so it's used for cutting sheet metal. Okay, so you have a block at the bottom. As you can see, we have two cutting blocks. Okay, so that cutting block there works like a scissor, and it just cuts your metal. All right, so this can cut up to 3.2 thick in mild steel. Okay, and it can also do up to 2.5 thickness in stainless steel. On the side of the machine here, there's a gauge. Okay, so you can see these two gauges here. If your material doesn't fit into that gauge, don't cut it, it's too thick. Okay. On the blocks, as you can see, there's an Allen key stored at the back of the machine, and on the cutting blocks themselves, you can see there's Allen key screws. Now, the one on this block, so you can see there's 4 edges to the block. So if you undo the cap head, you can actually rotate the block round. So you've got, once one edge goes blunt, you can actually rotate it round. You've got another 3 edges, so to speak. Likewise, on the bottom block, there's a cap head screw underneath, so when that edge blunts, you can turn it round and you've got another 3 edges. Now the cap head on the side here, that adjusts the block in and out. So the thicker the material you're cutting, the more you want to adjust the block out. The thinner the material, you adjust the block in. So that is the JS3201 shear, now available at Tool Shop.